just built a helicopter for a video and I actually forgot to record. But here's the helicopter. It works. It has a gun right there. And whenever you move, the propeller up there will move. And the fans are to be the base. It has 2 flashlights if you're in the dark, and has a witch broom to make you go faster. And it even has a tail. And you can resemble it. It's a helicopter. And that's the mecha. That's the helicopter I just made. I was with my friend earlier and he left, but besides that, this has been fun. I'm gonna drive it around real quick and show you all the functions. I have not saved it since I just made it. I'm going to, definitely. Very slow. It is very slow outside of the safe zone for some reason. If someone in the comments can tell me why fans get slow outside of the safe zone, I will heart that comment. And also, if you haven't known, I have a fan code which is new. The fan code is Ninja Vincent 14, and that's where I make most of my videos. This was not made in, it was not made, I did not make this in that code because I was going to join my friend, but then he left. He's a YouTuber, but I'm not going to. You're going to do a collab, but not anymore. We're not anymore. Yeah, bye-bye. Oh, also, I made a new mech. I'm going to go bring that out. And there. I'm finished with the Warcopter. I like that name for it. I'm gonna go get this real quick. And I'm pretty sure you can fly it wirelessly. It's flying! Whee. It's gone now. Yeah. I'm gonna go show off my neck. If you've seen my last video, you've known my mechs are pretty good. This is my new one. Yeah, here's my mech. I have 2 different arms. This is the monster and player killer. That's flamethrower, and this is the player killer. Like, you mainly only kill players and grab stuff. My main arm. Yeah. Pretty cool, and I also have a screen in here so I can see the map in the top of my screen so we get in the way. Yeah, there's my new map. You have 2 backpacks here. You hold a crowbar. You can hold it, usually you hold it like this, but I'm not, because it is, just because, yeah, that's my new mech that I just made. Not just because I had it made ever since once the new update came out, but oops, saving. And it is saved, just so you guys know. So yeah. And bye. I will see you guys in another video.